Hello dear viewers, there is a phone in my hand. This phone is Samsung Galaxy A03s. Now today I'll show you how to connect to DG on the phone. Can use pendrive and memory card and mouse if you want. And I will also show today if ODG doesn't work, I will show you how to fix it. In order to connect ODG to the phone, first I need to take an ODG, then the pendrive and the card reader. Connect the two well. Then in this pendrive I will connect to in with ODG. Then I will put this ODG on my phone. I will wait for a while testing it, but here I can see my phone ODG is not working. So I have to show now what I have to do. If ODG doesn't work on your phone, then you just change it to ODG. And if it works, then you have no problem. My phone ODG is not working now, so now I will replace ODG and solve my ODG not working problem. And scroll down and find my files option. Then you have to click on it, my files, and show my pendrive files. Show my pendrive files, and this one is ODG working. This phone basically doesn't have to turn on any option to give ODG connection. Just install ODG, but we will get the connection and use mouse and pendrive. And if you want to use the mouse now, I just put the mouse here, and this one is mouse working. You can see this one is mouse working. So viewers, if you want to like this video, please subscribe my channel.